I bet you've wondered why we burp after chugging a soda. Well, it's all about the air we swallow. When we eat or drink, we often gulp down air along with our food. This air gets trapped in our stomach, and our body has a pretty clever way of dealing with it. The stomach expands, and that air has to escape somewhere. So what happens? Our body sends that air right back up through our esophagus, creating that classic burp sound. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome science facts.